Progressive web apps, enhancing user experience. Progressive web apps, as emerging technology, is transforming the fast-paced digital landscape and transforms with respect to user experience because that is what eventually drives a business. PWAs are really bridging the gap between mobile and web applications to revolutionize the manner in which a user interacts with online content and services, bringing experiences faster, reliable, and engaging. How do progressive web applications work? Progressive Web Application (PWA) is a browser-based web application that takes advantage of modern web technologies to provide an almost native feel. Most importantly, unlike any other web applications, PWAs can be placed on a person's device, work even when disconnected, and possess features such as fake and background interactivity like mobile push notifications. They are created by using the most advanced web techniques, which include CSS, HTML, and JavaScript, and that is where their dramatic differences come in. Key features of PWAs. Responsiveness. PWAs are designed to perform well on all devices from desktop computers to mobile phones, providing a seamless UX offline capability. PWAs can cache content, allowing users to access the application even without an internet connection. App Store independent. There is no need to worry about using expensive app stores to publish PWAs since they can be accessed directly by any browser and even installed without restrictions. Push notifications. Businesses can engage users effectively with timely updates and notifications, boosting re-engagement rates. Faster load time. Most PWA systems cache information and deploy smart data fetching techniques whereby wait turns irrespective of how bad the network is do not take long. Benefits for companies. Reduced development costs. When it comes to progressive web applications, there is no need to create new versions for iOS and Android. A universal code can be used for all platforms, and this, in turn, cuts down the overhead. Improved engagement. Functionality like offline mode and push notifications increases engagement and retention as well as conversion rates. Greater accessibility. As long as a device has a current browser, the user can access the PWA, hence there are no App Store download limitations, which makes it possible for a business to reach far wider audience. Reduced development time. With a streamlined development process, PWAs enable businesses to launch their products or updates more quickly. The role of PWAs in improving UX in general. PWAs provide speed, reliability, and accessibility, three components which contribute to an improved UX. To begin with, speedy loading times help to reduce bounce rates, whereas offline modes help to keep users engaged regardless of the availability of internet. Moreover, the thin profile of PWAs comes in handy especially for users from countries or cities with high internet traffic. An example that can be considered to be a success story in PWAs would be the Starbucks case. The coffee giant designed a PWA to enable ordering and food purchase tracking, which came out to be very far less in size in comparison to their native app. This basically helped the users in the developing economies who found it difficult to use the app, which in turn increased user activity and frequency of orders made. Obstacles encountered in the use of PWAs. Limited hardware access. PWAs don't have the same access to hardware features as native applications do, which makes them less functional for certain applications. Browser compatibility. The fact that PWAs can be run on modern browsers does not guarantee that all features will run effectively in older browsers. User awareness. The majority of end users cannot use PWAs due to lack of knowledge, which causes additional expenses for businesses which have to deal with educating their audience. The future of PWAs. It is believed that the trend towards the use of PWAs will increase over time as technology improves. Given the wider support in browsers and the improvement in standard web APIs, PWAs will become even stronger, bridging the gap that exists between them and native applications. Sectors such as e-commerce, media, and hospitality have already started using this technology, and more industries will probably catch up. Conclusion. Progressive web apps represent the future of application development since it harmonizes the best from the web and the native to provide one of the most user-friendly experiences. For businesses, they are a cost-effective, engaging, and scalable solution to meet modern consumer demands. As digital experiences continue to define customer expectations, embracing PWAs could be the way to lead ahead in this growing market.